A killer's hopes for an early release from prison were dashed in Superior Court today in Spokane. Kevin Boot, who shot and killed a woman during a carjacking in 1994, appeared before a judge for resentencing today. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey working for you tonight. And Jeff, Boot's crime spree 23 years ago was so horrible that today the court didn't cut him very much slack.
Nadine, while it's true that Kevin Boot no longer faces life in prison without the possibility of parole, Boot's new sentence will keep him behind bars for another quarter century. Even though Boot was just 17 at the time of this murder, the judge felt Boot's crimes still warrant a very adult punishment. Kevin Boot came into court this afternoon hoping his sentence reduction could free him in as little as 2 years from now. However, the testimony of retired detectives who helped convict Boot more than 2 decades ago had a big impact on the judge's decision.
Well, in my opinion, I believe that Mr. Boot should remain in prison for the rest of his life. The reason being that he is a violent individual who took a life for no apparent reason other than to secure transportation.
Investigators also said killing Felicia Reese during a carjacking was senseless. Boot blamed the fatal shooting on his lack of maturity and his devotion to a street gang that at the time he considered his family.
I am not the person I was at 17. When I look back on that person, I'm ashamed that that is me. That isn't who I really am.
The Supreme Court wanted Boot to be resentenced because at age 17, the defendant's brain wasn't fully developed. But the facts of the case and Boot's actions after the killing convinced the judge otherwise.
Mr. Boot knew what he was doing and chose to do it. He had enough appreciation for risk that he executed Ms. Reese to attempt to cover up the kidnapping and robbery.
And so, as current court precedents require, Judge Clary tossed Boot's life sentence and gave him a punishment just short of life.
I'm committed to following the law. However, I find you should be sentenced to a minimum term of 50 years.
The victim's mom then thanked prosecutors for their hard work.
Justice has been served, and I'm very happy of the results.
So now Boot, who has already served 23 years, will have to do another 27, which means he'll be 67 years old, Nadine, before he is eligible for release. Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.
Thank you for that, Jeff.